Now we are discussing about construction options. In that constructions, flat slab construction, how to do, we can discuss now. What is a flat slab construction? The flat slab construction is a reinforced concrete slab supported by the concrete columns directly without the support of the beams. So we can say that a flat slab is one-sided or two-sided with a shear load targeting the square slab or supporting columns. Next point is, what is the purpose of flat slab? Flat slab is also known as beamless slab because it is supported directly by columns or caps. Here, the loads are transferred directly to the columns. The function of this type of slab is to provide a plane ceiling surface which will give the best diffusion of light. Next point is, what are the three types of flat slab construction methods? Types of flat slab construction: simple flat slab with drop panels, flat slab with columns heads. And next point, what is the thickness of a flat slab? Flat slabs must be at least 125 millimeters thick to comply with the requirements of that is 456 is to 2000. And next point is, what is the maximum thickness of a flat slab? Minimum slab thickness for residential buildings are 4 inches approximately. Maximum slab thickness for a residential building is 6 inches approximate. And next point is, can we use a flat slab residential building? Flat plates are generally preferred in similar housing and apartment projects. In India, flat plate is not yet popular for apartments. Mostly, a beam and slab system are used for housing and apartment projects. Flat slabs with drop panels are used for office buildings and shopping complexes and malls in India. And next point is, what is the advantage of flat plate slab? Advantages of a flat plate floor systems. The flat plate floor system requires a simple formwork. The system is suitable for a direct fix or sprayed ceiling. The structural depth of a flat plate floor is minimum. Reduced depth of a slab helps to increase the floor height of the building. And next point is, what are types of flat slab? Types of flat slab: flat slab with drop panel, flat slab with column head, flat slab with drop panel and column head. And next point is, what is the span range of flat slab? Flat slab systems, flat slab systems for buildings. Flat slabs are similar to flat plate. Apart from thickening of flat slabs around columns, which are provided to improve shear capacity of this floor system. Flat slabs are economically viable for spans range from 6 to 9 m, and live loads range from 4 to 7 kN by m2. What is the rule of thumb for flat slab? Flat slab with reinforced column supports, suitable for heavy loads and 20 to 40 inches spans. Rule of thumb slab depth is equal to span of by 36, 6 to 12 inches. Slab depth around 5 by 4 into slab depth. Why column heads are provided in flat slab? Column heads are used to increase the shear strength of slabs and to reduce the bending moment in the slab by reducing the effective span. What are the components of a flat slab? Major components of flat slab are capital head, drop panel, columns strip and middle strips. Next point is how thick is a normal house slab? A slab foundation is made of concrete that is typically 4 to 6 inches thick in the center. The concrete slab is often placed on a layer of sand for drainage or to act as a cushion. Houses built on a slab lack crawl spaces. A slab lack crawl spaces and there is no space under the floor. Is a slab. Next point is a slab a permanent foundation? Permanent foundations include basement, crawl space, and a slab with block skirting foundations. Non-permanent foundations, on the other hand, can be